Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and we back at it again, man. Look what I done bought. My favorite. Man, I started off selling Cavaliers. I made a lot of money selling these Cavaliers. My weakness and my favorite, my specialty. This one needs some help. God damn, this shit needs some help. Little project car that I found. Got it for a little couple hundred bucks. I had to get it. See, can I get all this shit fixed? I'm gonna get this whole car repainted. I don't even think this car starts right now. Let's see. But I will be getting it ready though. It's dirty inside. Motherfucking condom. Safe sex is always the best. Man, this car stinks. Smell like I don't know, like mildew. I think that's mildew right there. Shit stinks. But yeah, I doubt it's gonna start. I don't think it's gonna start. Yeah, it ain't gonna start. I want to show y'all what I got. I like these little custom little fenders. Make it look like it's really doing something. My little Fast and Furious car. Man, y'all see the vet right there in the back. This is like a baby Camaro, baby vet. Oh shit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go all black with this one. Let's see, put this up there. Look at this damn little belt. Gotta change the belt off top. Oh yeah. I think the power steering is out. Or it might just be because they don't got enough belt. Let's see. That motherfucker empty. No power steering in there. Oh man. Needs a battery. Car won't start. Yeah. Let's go get this jump box so we can hear what this motor sound like real quick. Get this jump box. This jump box do work. It really does. Yeah, I'm gonna paint all this shit black. Go all black with this. I know how I like black cars. This thing will be for sale after I'm done with it. But I'm just getting started. Just getting started. Should crank right up. Really want to start. Crack windshield crack. Shuts right off. Will not stay running. Gotta let it warm up, man. What did I get myself into? Oh, it's gonna be right, man. I'm gonna get my money back up out of this motherfucker. Power steering all stiff. Motherfucker will not stay running. motor sound good though. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on. Fuck it. Yep, this is it. Believe me, I drove it here. It runs good though. I just don't feel like pressing on the gas and warming it all the way up. I just wanted to show y'all how it looked. This mirror's falling apart. I'm gonna get this whole car repainted. So I guess someone must have ran out of money or something. It's pretty decent. Little ground effects. Surprised they don't got one of the little loud exhausts on it. Yeah, this part they're gonna have to sand all that shit down. I might delete all this molding or either find another one of this. I think I might just delete it. Make it flow better with the body. Yeah, or just take that off. But yep, I just wanted to show y'all. Take this off. I just wanted to show y'all what this thing looked like before I start working on it. Y'all see me, I'm in my work clothes. Stay in the work clothes, man. Got the boots, man. I'm even gonna paint that red up under there. Paint that up under there, black. Paint the door jambs black. All the door jambs, all that's gonna be black. All that's gonna be black. All this gray. Oh yeah, it's gonna be right. It is going to be right. I don't know how perfect they're gonna be able to make this shit, but even if I paint straight over this without doing no body work, it'll still look 10 times better. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be posting more videos though, because this car needs a lot of work. Look at it. Needs a lot of work. A lot of people don't even like these goddamn cars. I always liked these cars. I always thought they were a little cool. Little gas savers, man. Sometimes you get tired of driving V8s all damn day. But yeah, just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out.